All welcome to Great Source Code. So in this video we will discuss about feature of Java 8, which is functional interfaces. Functional interface is like a same normal interface, but it have only one abstract method. That's why we call him as a functional interfaces. And the method inside functional interface we can call as functional method and single abstract method. Okay. In Java there are predefined functional interfaces are present, such as runnable, comparable, action listener, callable. So like in runnable there is only one abstract method, which is run method, and in comparable, compared to action listener, action perform, callable, call method. Okay. So inside functional interface, in addition to single abstract method, we write any number of default and static method, such as in example I have created the interface and there is one M1 abstract method and there is a default method. Okay, I will show all this stuff in practical way also. Okay, let's go ahead. So suppose take example of this interface. If I write one more abstract methods as M2, then it will not become functional interface. It will just like a normal interface. But in Java 8 they have introduced functional interface annotation, which specify that this given interface is a functional interface. Here in example given below, I have created one interface and there is one abstract method M1 and I have annotated with functional interface. So this code will compile well and will not going to give any error. Okay, but suppose if in that interface if I put one more abstract method as M2, then it will give compilation error, because we have annotated with functional interface and we are here mentioning two abstract method, so it will give the compilation issue. Okay, then in third example, inside functional interface we have to take exactly one abstract method. If we are not declaring that abstract method, then compiler give an error message. Suppose if we give annotated with the functional interface, and in interface, inside the interface we haven't mentioned any abstract method, then also it will give compilation issue. Suppose if we remove that functional interface, then our compilation error will go. Okay, let me do some practical work for better understanding. Okay, so here I am using IntelliJ. So yeah, here I have already created the interface as a vehicle, and here you can see there is one abstract method which is apply break, and there is default method also. So I have annotated with functional interface, that's why it's not giving any compilation issue. But if I add one more abstract method, then it will give error, because I am not following the rule of functional interface, because in functional interface is only support only single abstract method. Okay, let me do that. Public void add fuel. Okay, so I have created one abstract method, but here it's giving compilation issue because I have mentioned the annotated with functional interface. So suppose let me remove that annotation. Okay, let me correct that, because I have already created the default method as add fuel. So let me rename this as apply break. Apply break also I have created. Add company, because I have a company name. So here it giving functional interface as a compilation error. So if I remove this interface, this annotation, then error will go. Okay, so this functional interface give the power to this interface. It will to support only one abstract method. If I remove this abstract method, then error will go on. And it's supporting multiple default as well as static method. Okay, and suppose if I remove this abstract method also, then also it will give error, as in example 3 we have seen that. So then also it will give compilation issue, because we have annotated with functional interface, but we are not mentioning any abstract method here. Okay, so this is the power of this annotation. Okay, let's move ahead. So functional interface with respect to inheritance. So what is this? If an interface extend functional interface and child interface does not contain any abstract method, then child interface also work as child interface is also functional interface. Okay, so here in example you can see I have created interface A and I have annotated with functional interface. Then again I have created one more interface as B and I have extended that interface A, and I have annotated this also as a functional interface. But here you will not going to get compilation issue, because we are extending this parent A, and this parent is already containing one abstract method. Okay, let's see second example. In the child interface we defined exactly same parent abstract method. Okay, so here in suppose in our parent interface we have mentioned method 1. Okay, abstract method 1, and the same method we have to if we want to define some method in interface B, then we have to define that exact same method. If we put any other method, then we will get the compilation issue. Like in example 3 you can see here interface A, then I have extended A at interface B, then I have creating the new abstract method, then here I am getting the compilation issue. I will show this also in my IDE. Then in example I have created one, then interface. Okay, suppose if I remove the functional interface from interface B, then it will work perfectly fine with method 2 with this abstract method. Okay, so yeah, this is a common example I have shown here, and I will attach this blog URL in this video, so you will find that also. So let me do some practical example for this also, so you will understood in a better way. Okay, so this is a interface, then I will create one more functional interface as Tata car, which extend vehicle. So here if I suppose, and I will annotate this as a functional interface, then suppose if I put exact same abstract method here, then it will work fine. If I rename this, then it will give error, because in functional if suppose child interface if child interface have to use the same abstract method which present inside the parent, or else don't use that method. If we remove this abstract method, then error will gone. And suppose if I put this exact same method, then it will work fine. Okay, if I rename, then it will not work. If I remove this functional interface annotation, then it will work perfectly fine, because now this interface does not have any power of functional interface, we can say like that. So yeah, this is a basic overview of functional interface. I hope you have understand properly this functional interface, how it is working. So yes, so that's it from my side. I hope you understood this properly. If you have any question, you can comment on this video, so I will surely reply on that. Or if you have any feedback on this video, you also put that feedback. I will work on that. I will improve myself. Okay, thank you.